So hunching on your phone for a very long time can cause some few musculoskeletal injuries, i.e. neck and back pain. Today we are here at Accra Physiotherapy Sports Injury Clinic to talk to the experts. Come with me. So hunching on the phone for a very long time causes musculoskeletal injuries, i.e. neck and back pain. How true is this assertion?
Okay, so hunching on the phone, as you've stated earlier, can also be called or can also be termed as test neck or tech neck because of its derivative from the recent technological advancement and the fact that people tend to spend more time on the phone. Averagely, the normal human person or human being spends about 4 to 5 hours on phone each day, which a recent study noticed or identified. And this really can cause neck and back pain, especially in the upper back, if we talk about the back, but in the upper back. What happens in this phenomenon is that anytime you spend more time hunching on the phone means that your phone is lower than your eye level. Anytime you spend time hunching on the phone, what you are doing is that you are tightening the muscles at the front part of the body, which are called the flexors of the trunk. So you're tightening the muscles, you're contracting them, and you're stretching the muscles on the back part of your trunk. This done over a long period of time, which we know people can spend so much time on the phone, can tend to cause muscle spasms or soreness in the muscle because you're putting in a muscle or you're putting the muscle in not an appropriate position for a long period of time, and that can cause neck and back pain. This is to the muscles, but also to the bones and the structures the structures beyond the muscles, that are the ligaments, the intervertebral disc. You can cause problems because the more you bend over, you're causing differences in pressure in these tissues. And so, especially for your IV disc or the intervertebral disc, you can cause the disc to move backwards because there's compression at the front part, there's an opening at the back part of your neck, and so more pressure at the front part is going to cause the disc, which is a fluid-like disc, to shift towards the back part, which has less pressure. And this is more like a hydraulic press thing in physics, like we know of. So all these goes on in the body and can cause back and neck pain if we keep on doing test neck. However, we can also have problems. We can also have pain in the neck and in the back from work-related problems or work-related situations, like hunching over the laptop for a long period of time, whereas your laptop is not at eye level, like we said earlier for hunching over the phone. Your laptop could be lower than your eye level or could be way higher than your eye level. If you keep this position for a very long period of time, you may end up with neck and back pain. And it's the same thing that happens when it comes to the work-related condition, the work-related situation. It's just like what happens in a test neck.
So thank you very much, Caleb, for educating us. But how appropriate should we use our phones to avert these things that you are speaking to us about? They are very scary.
All right, so we can't do away with our phones. We can do away with our laptops. It's a necessity. And everybody, or in this recent modern era, we need to use these things to make work faster and to make work easier. However, we need to be able to use these things properly so as to avert test neck or hunching on the phone and the pain and the consequences that come with them. So what we usually advise is not to put away the phone, not to put away the laptop, but then to use these basic principle or basic techniques or basic skills to help avert these problems. So like I have here, this is the phone, and anytime we want to use the phone, people tend to place the screen of the phone a bit lower than the eye level or way higher than the eye level. Mostly they do put them way lower than the eye level, so that keeps them hunched over this way. But in trying to keep the phone at the right position, what you need to do is to elevate the phone and the screen of the phone to be at your eye level. Make sure that you keep your elbows and your arm closer to the body so that you prevent these muscles around the area from contracting for a long period of time, and try to keep the muscles relaxed in this position. And so this is an easy way to keep your muscles relaxed and to make sure that you're not hunching over the phone, but rather you're working with a phone at eye level, and then you can keep your neck free from pain and from other consequences. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Caleb. Nice talking to you. So, viewers, you heard it all for yourself. The next time you hunch on your phone or your laptop, know exactly what you are doing to yourself. This is Health Segment on Good Morning Africa on Pan African Television. My name is Ni Aite Adama.